I land that and then fall? All right, guys, we're here today with
Guys,
and we're gonna play
game of skate.
a game of skate. So how do you want to do it? Do you do, okay, you're like San Francisco local.
Yeah.
Do you do board flip or?
Honestly, I do board flip.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, this is great.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just flip it and then tell me.
Okay.
Rerun it, right?
Yeah.
So, again? This could go forever. Uh-oh. Okay, that means you're first, right?
Yep.
Okay. Don't kill me off too hard, please. I'm an old man. Oh, you gotta breathe, brother. Gotta breathe. Okay, you missed the nollie shove. Sometimes in this scenario, I would do the nollie shove, but I think we're gonna start it off with a backside 180. Beautiful. Yeah. Front side 180.
Backside.
Get the warm up. Yes. Okay, he's got that. Kick flip.
Oh.
Ah. S. She's taking a letter. Man, I don't know where I want to go from here. Maybe. Oh yeah, front shove's a good one. Front shove. Woo! Yeah. Okay, Derek, I just learned this trick. Just learned it. You've literally even never seen me land this trick. You ready? Do I got it?
Yeah.
Oh.
What, D? Not my best one, but front big spin. Yeah. This is a San Francisco trick. No, here's the ultimate San Fran trick. What's the ultimate San Francisco trick?
I would say tray flip.
Tray flip? Actually, I honestly agree with that. But what I was gonna do, that I will do, because I suck at them, is a heel flip. I need to get better. I bet you got a mean heel flip.
I feel like I do sort of sometimes, but
Yeah.
let's see your heel flip.
I don't know why, but everyone from San Francisco, they can just heel flip. And I'm like, what the? Why did I not get that? I suck at heel flips, but let's try. Ah! Okay, you're up. Yeah, nollie shove. Woo!
Oh.
Big pop shove it. That's another San Francisco special, I swear. Derek, kill now. Oh my word! Rodney Mullen in the house. Nollie 3 shove. That's sick. Let's get it. Woo. How did I land that and then fall? Yes, that was a good trick. Yes, nice. Nollie 360. In Rodney Mullen days, it's like heli pop or something. Yes, pop shove it. Nicely played. Wow, how did I almost miss that? Oh my gosh, nollie heel flip. That was legendary. That was San Francisco style right there. Okay, Derek, this is gonna take everything I got, and I don't think I can do it in this direction. I think I gotta go that way, because he knows I suck at heel flip. Nollie heel flip.
Let's get it. Nollie heel.
No! Right where the sun don't shine, instantly.
Yes.
SK to SK. We're tied.
Tried to pull a 3 shove, but that ain't happening today.
Well, if I was really stupid, I would do a heel flip. So, here we go. Derek! Wow, three shove. Okay. I gotta build my confidence back up again. Gotta land something. Man, I'm out of tricks. Oh wait, I got one for you. Let's see. Off the tail. Woo!
What was that, fakie?
Fakie big spin. Yeah, nice one. What in the world? Carmen Sandiego. Yeah, nollie shove. I like that. Oh, wow. Derek, he did me dirty. He did me dirty, dog. Yeah, I like that.
Oh yeah, man.
I told you everyone from San Francisco got a mean heel flip. What the world? Okay, I promise. I'll practice those. SKA. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna try this one. It's been a minute. It's been a minute.
Flaky flip.
Wow. Nollie flip. It was nollie, nollie.
That was nollie.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no, man.
You could try.
It's
You
weird.
got nollie heel? See,
I only
he's
have
got nollie
nollie
heel,
heel.
but not nollie flip. Okay, SK, SK, right? A? 2 A's. Well, then I'm gonna try the fakie flip. That hurt my ankle. Ow. T, last letter. Okay, that wind. Why all of a sudden is it so windy? I gotta go that way because of the wind, right? If you ever can't land a trick, it's a good idea to blame the weather. Whoa, that was a bad one. You got it!
Dude, trays are like my worst enemy, man.
Lean back when you pop, and then it'll shove the board in front of you, you can land.
Lean back.
Yeah, yeah. Oh! I mean, you got 3 shove, you can get 3 flip. That was legendary.
Oh yeah, man.
All right, that was a game of skate, super fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Do you want them to like follow you on social or?
MF Poltergeist
MF Poltergeist.
on IG.
You guys know what to do on the Instagram. All right, we hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one.